Imagine waking up to a garden thriving in your bedroom. A garden that not only enhances your space but also fattens your wallet. Yes, you heard it right. Today we dive into the fascinating world of hydroponics, where we transform a bedroom into a profitable indoor garden. Hydroponics, the science of soilless gardening, is one of the most efficient ways to grow plants indoors. It doesn't require a large space or abundant sunlight. All it needs is a little bit of water, a few nutrients, and your love for greenery. Hydroponics allows plants to grow up to 50% faster than traditional gardening methods. And guess what? It uses only a fraction of the water. To embark on this journey, you need a few things: grow lights, containers, and nutrient solutions. Grow lights mimic sunlight. Containers hold your plants, and nutrient solutions feed them. Setting up your hydroponic system is a breeze. Start by filling your containers with water, then add the nutrient solution, making sure to keep an eye on the pH levels. Too high or too low can hinder plant growth. Now that your hydroponic system is ready, it's time to decide what to grow. Think lettuce, herbs, strawberries, plants that are easy to grow, in high demand, and have a good profit margin. Planting the seeds and caring for your plants might be the most exciting part of this whole process. Watching your seeds sprout and grow into healthy, lush plants is truly a rewarding experience. But what's the point of growing these plants if you can't make a profit, right? That's where marketing comes into play. You can sell your hydroponic produce at farmers markets, online marketplaces, or even to local restaurants. Remember, the key is to build relationships with your customers and create a loyal customer base. Pricing your produce is a delicate balance. You want to make a profit, but you also don't want to scare away potential customers. Research the market, understand your costs, and price your produce accordingly. To recap, hydroponics is an efficient method of indoor gardening that can turn your bedroom into a profitable enterprise. All you need is a basic setup, the right plants, and a good marketing strategy. So, why not give it a try? Grow your garden, grow your wallet, and share your journey with us. Join our community and remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on hydroponics. Until next time, happy gardening!